how to turn on or turn off sound on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can turn on or turn off sound on Reddit. So to turn on sound on Reddit, the first step is to launch the Reddit app, just like I've done here. And so once you've launched it, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see or locate the video whose sound you would like to turn off. So once you can locate the video, by the bottom right side of the video you can see a speaker icon, right? So if the speaker icon has an X sign beside it, it means that it has been turned off and you won't hear anything. But if you want to turn it on, just click on the speaker and it will be turned on, as you can see on my screen. So you can do this for as many videos as you want. Just go ahead, click on the speaker icon, and to be turned on or turned off depending on the function you want it to do. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.